You guys don't even know how excited I am right now. Like, this summer is gonna be lit. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is the day that I actually show you guys the start of the turbo build. We're actually finally gonna be boosted and hopefully fast. But it's been a couple months since I actually bought the kit. Yes, it was only $600. I got it from eBay, which most people, you know, say eBay is trash and all that crap, but we're gonna find out firsthand. Anyways, I finally have, you know, acquired almost all the parts we need for the build to actually, you know, mount it onto the car. But I had a little mishap and messed up a valve in my car, so I had to, you know, spend money here and there. But I got new valves. I'll show you guys right now. It's actually really high up. Okay, I'm gonna stand on these tires, but it is not safe. Holy crap. All right, here we got Amazon special. These are, what are these? These are the exhaust valves right here, brand new, flat faced. It's all the same to OEM spec, so hopefully nothing blows. These are the exhaust valves, same thing. I was gonna go with skunk too, but my buddy told me not to because these give a little bit more compression, but it's just for now. They're just something for we could get the car running perfect, for we could actually boost it and hopefully not have any problems. Before I even show you guys the turbo kit, this is the beautiful downpipe it came with. See, most kits come with this little adapter plate, not even welded on. This came welded on with a beautiful flex pipe for nothing breaks. A bung for your gauges, your AFR gauge, you know, whatever. The other thing I bought is right here, which is SuperTech valve seals. We're gonna replace those since already replacing the valves. And then I also bought a Walboro 450, which it might be overkill, but we're trying to go 500 plus in the future after we actually build the motor. There's the fuel pump with all its parts and glory, also from eBay. These two are from Amazon. eBay. No, not sponsored. Anyways, this is some injectors that I bought off a guy off eBay, which are some RC injectors, 1000 cc's. Hopefully they're good. I bought these before I did like any research basically on injectors, and I heard RC injectors are not that good, but I don't know. So, and these are the only ones I have as of right now, so we're gonna use them, and if they don't work, I'll let you know. Got some ARP head studs for we can actually hold a little bit more power and be a little bit on the safer side. All right, this is gonna be a task getting down from here. All right, I know my garage is like super messy, but don't worry about that. This is another thing that I'm like in love with, and I got it for super cheap. I got it off Facebook Marketplace. All right, so hopefully nothing's damaged. Oh, look at that beauty. So we got an AEM fuel rail. Stock injectors are in. We got a fuel pressure regulator. We don't have the gauge, but that's okay. I'll buy one. And then obviously the beautiful Skunk 2 intake manifold with, apparently he says it's a 70 millimeter blocks throttle body. So hopefully that's actually real. I am super tempted of putting it on, but like right now stock, because it just looks so beautiful, but I don't think it's gonna be a good idea. It's probably gonna mess up my air fuel ratio and cause more problems that I don't need right now. Like I said, this turbo kit was opened like so long ago. I don't even remember, it was sometime in the summer, so a couple months ago. So I'm gonna show you really quick. This is the manifold it came with, since it's already out. All right, cast iron, came with the little studs and the gasket, everything here. It's a little like I guess you could say rusty because of my hands and the oils that I had on it. And it's just being out, you know, here in the garage. It just got rusted, I guess. But we'll probably clean that up. And then the most important part is right here. This beautiful turbo. Yes, that is a cut that happened. Don't worry about that. But look at it. This is the most important part, which hopefully does not blow. It doesn't have any shaft play, which is great. Spins perfectly fine. So that's gonna be fun to enjoy when the car actually goes on, for we can hear all those nice beautiful turbo noises. And then this is the box it came in. It's all opened up, obviously, you know, like I said, a couple months, but I'll show you what it has now. All right, I was actually test fitting a couple stuff, but it comes with hopefully all the piping that we need. See, this is for the blow-off valve there, and then all the other stuff that we connect to. And it comes with a lot of couplers, right? Beautiful, nice blue eBay special couplers. Comes with a intercooler, of course. Take that out. Ow, 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 ow. Just scratched the crap out of myself with a nail. And look how beautiful it looks. We're finally gonna be fast, man. Finally gonna be part of that fast guy club. They won't be able to catch us in the streets, you know what I'm saying? Next, here, let me take these out real quick. So it comes with a bunch of boxes, and this is the gaskets that it came with all the necessary bolts for the downpipe. So just make sure we don't lose that. Let's just put it right there. Okay, so this is the box. I took it out because it was being annoying in there and not wanting to stay open. But here we have this little box here, which I believe is the blow-off valve. Yep, there you go. Super fake HKS. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound like a whistle, but it brings all the T-brackets and little clamps and all that stuff that you need for that. For $600, it literally brings almost everything we need to get this car running. So that's that. Let's go with this little box here. This brings some vacuum hoses, I believe these are. Oh, it's for the boost controller. There you go. Which, I don't know if I'm going to be running that. I don't know if I have to. Well, I don't know 99% of the things I do on this channel, but we'll find out soon enough. Then we have this box. Okay. This box is... Okay. These are all the dash... I think it's dash 10. Oh, it's fallen. So this is right here, the drain for the turbo, oil drain, and it comes with all the necessary hardware. You have the drain there, and then you have all the fittings. That's like, this is on like every eBay turbo kit car. Always red and blue. Why? Why is that like... Is that the patriotic or something that they want to do that for? Okay, and then what's behind door number 1 over here? Let me see. Oh, I know what this is. This is the wastegate. This is the beautiful wastegate of the eBay special $600 turbo kit. I don't know what size it is, but hopefully it works, because wastegate, they're important. Put that back. Behind door number 2, we have our oil feed line, which is right there. I've heard that these feed lines, they tend to leak a lot. So I don't know if I'm gonna be using these. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these. And then if it starts leaking, then obviously I'll change it. But so my plan is to use everything from this kit on my car and then actually show you if it's good or not. And if you need to change any lines or any pieces that came in here. Obviously it doesn't come with like a 4-bar map sensor or like a Honda ECU or whatever, which I still need to get, by the way, which will be soon. So just don't worry about that. But yeah, we're gonna see how good these eBay turbo kits are. And then lastly but not least, we have a boost gauge. It's sort of tinted, unless that's just the film, but there you go, a boost gauge. And I also have a couple more things. A couple more things that I'm gonna be installing as well. Like when we finish actually boosting the car, I have here a Skunk 2 3-inch exhaust that's gonna hopefully sound very nice when it's actually on the car over there. Can I just say, look how nice the car looks. Man, I wish the paint looked that good in real life. So thank you guys for watching. All I gotta say is just stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, because you don't want to miss it. I'm telling you right now, you don't want to miss it. It's either gonna blow, go really fast, or do both. And we're gonna have fun doing it. So do me a favor, please subscribe, leave a like, comment. If you enjoyed this video, just send it out all to all your friends. And remember, if there's anything you want to do in life, just make it happen. Peace out. See you in the next one.